Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to validate address data through Clay and automate some of this process so you can send postal mail through Scribeless, our handwritten direct mail platform. In the next video, I will also show you how to integrate Clay into Scribeless to directly generate postal mail to go out based off a Clay table that you've created. So I'm going to presume that you're starting off with their first name, email address, LinkedIn profile, and their website. Clay's a pretty good place to get that information if you don't have it, but I'm starting off with this as a base point. I'm then going to go ahead and choose to enrich the LinkedIn profile, first of all. I'm going to enrich by the location name that is associated with their profile. While that's happening, I'm also going to enrich the address data from the company details on LinkedIn. And I'm going to return the result of the first or primary address associated with their company as a starting point, at least. So you can see here that it's saying I'm based in Bristol. The company is based in Colorado. So what I'm going to want to do quickly is just check to see what other locations I have on file. So you can see here that we've actually also got a Bristol address on file. So I'm going to go ahead and add that as a column. With that added, you can see now that I've got basic city of where the person is based. I've got the address location of their US office, as well as their Bristol-based office. So one at a time, I can pretty easily kind of work out that the Bristol-based place would be the best place to send the postal mail here. But what I'm also going to do is I'm going to add a column for a formula, and then this is copied and pasted from what I did earlier. I'm going to check if the location name for the LinkedIn profile is filled. Once checked, I'm going to compare that with the output from the primary address location. If the input matches, I'm going to set the value of the I'm just going to set the value of the formula to true 1. If the input isn't contained within that primary address, I'm then going to check if the input is contained within the secondary address. And if it is, I'm going to set the formula value to true 2. And I'm going to generate that formula. We'll give that 1 second. So I'm going to save that formula, and you can see that it's worked as I'd expected here. So it set the formula to true 2. I could run that through a whole list, and then that is going to give me the relevant company information. So you'll want to filter by those that have got a true status from the formula, and then you'll have a series of addresses to be able to send to. I would also recommend filtering out anything that is equal to some type of PO box, or maybe even in our instance, a business center, which is an example of somewhere where a virtual address is aggregated. So that would filter out our contact in this instance, but I would recommend entering those filters so you're getting an accurate address where someone is actually working at each day. That is pretty much it.